Audio Jungle. This is High-Tech News TV News. According to the latest evidence generated from the Indian Council of Medical Research, India diabetic studies published in Nature Medicine, India's rapidly changing eating habits are fueling dramatic rises in the diabetics and obesity. The cross-sectional survey was conducted in collaboration with Madras Diabetics Research Foundation and included a nationally representative sample of Indian adults from urban and rural areas of 36 states, union territories, and the National Capital Territory in Delhi. In this occasion, Dr. R. M. Anchana, lead author and president, Madras Diabetics Research Foundation, emphasized our findings clearly show that typical Indian diets heavy in carbohydrates from white rice or whole wheat flour and low in quality protein are putting millions at risk. After that, Mrs. Sujata joined first author and senior scientist and head department of Foods and Nutrition Dietetics Research MDRF noted that similar metabolic risks were observed across all regions regardless of the main carbohydrate sources. Dr. V. Mohan, senior author of the paper and chairman Madras Diabetics Research and Foundation, says these nationwide findings should inspire policy reforms, especially regarding food substrates and public health messaging to help Indians shift towards diets richer in plant based on the dairy proteins and lower in carbohydrate and fats. Dr. Shilpa Bhupati Raju, co-senior author, stated reducing saturated fat remains a challenge. Encouraging healthier oils and more pulses and could make a major difference to the health of the nation. Dr. V. Mohan stressed that such dietary changes can help reverse current nutrition trends, address protein gaps, and improve overall diet quality. Healthcare is a state government matter that these findings will be of the interest to state to consider the right healthier and food substrates.